Hi guys, so today I'm going to be doing a review for a hair company called AliPearl. Okay, first of all, they sent me the most prettiest pre-colored hair I've ever gotten. Like, besides blonde hair, but this hair is like a color, not just like blonde or 613. It's a colored hair and it's very long. Okay, so I made a unit. It is made with a closure, not a frontal, and I'll let you guys know the details right here of the lengths that I used to create this unit. She's right here. Okay, she's a little shy. Come on. Come on. Oh. Come on. There she is. I'm just kidding. I need to get friends. Alright you guys, so here she is. It is made with a closure, okay, and 3 bundles of hair. I did not run out of hair because the wefts were very long, so I did not run out of hair, so that's really great. There is a 1-inch spacing between each bundle, and I did double weft them, if that makes sense. So instead of taking the wefts apart and doing a single weft, I did double wefts, but you cannot tell that, you know, it's made with tracks. So double tracks or double wefts. The wefts are very long, so I really like that. At first, I'm not gonna lie, when I got the hair, I saw the color. I absolutely loved the color, but I had to email the company and make sure. I'm like, is this plastic hair or, you know what I mean? And they confirmed that it is human hair. I flat ironed it, I curled it, and it is human hair. It's just, I'm amazed by the way this is colored. The color is really, really beautiful. There's multiple shades in the color. It's like a beautiful, deep burgundy color. Really, really pretty. Beautiful for the fall time. So if you're looking for a color like this, I highly recommend you getting it from AliPearl if you don't want to color the hair yourself. Okay, so here's a close-up. I just absolutely love the colors and the dimensions. Like, you could see there's parts of it that are super, super deep and parts of it that have more of a coppery look, and it's like a nice blend and mix of colors in here. I'm gonna try and do a little video maybe in the sun so you guys could see it, because you can't really see it on camera. I don't know if you can see it, but it's just really, really pretty. So I like that a lot. I did not have much shedding. It did come with a pre-plucked hairline, but I plucked it a bit more because the pre-plucked hairline was like, it was plucked, but the hairline was still like straight across. I did pluck it a bit to kind of soften it up and make it more natural, because not everyone goes around with like a, you know, a lineup. You know what I mean? So I did pluck it a bit more. I didn't do the baby hair thing. I'm gonna try it on for you guys and we'll see together how she looks. Alright, so my hair is freshly washed. I washed my hair like 2 days ago, I think, and I need to do a better job at washing my hair. I've just been so lazy with my own hair. I've just but I am trying to let my hair grow out. I have restrained myself from cutting it, which I usually cut my hair every 3 months. I'll take about 1 inch off, but I've done pretty good by not doing that much. I have my husband cutting my ends instead of me doing it, and he just takes a small amount off just to make sure I don't have, you know, a whole bunch of split ends or dead ends or anything like that. I just bought some wig combs that I'm excited to use, so I will be putting wig combs on this unit, maybe 2 on the front on each side, 1 in the middle and 1 in the back. I think that will work perfect. So instead of putting a strap, but it goes on pretty well without a strap. So this is how the inside of the unit looks. I have not cut the lace yet, so we'll do that right now. I have some videos right here that I posted on Instagram. I'll put them so you guys could see that I took with my, you know, my camera, my phone camera. And it just looks so beautiful in the sun. Just in the sun, out of the sun, it really looks great. Okay, just cut the lace off. It was about maybe a 1 inch thing of lace, so that's how she looks. Okay, I'm gonna bring it close up so you guys could see. I already added some foundation in the part to kind of soften that up and make it look more natural. So you'll see that line right there. It did not come like that, so I did that. All right. I think I'm just gonna pluck around this area just a bit more to kind of fade it a bit more, because it still is giving me that like egghead look, if that makes sense, and that's not the look we're going for. Alright, you guys, so I'm just using the tweezer to, it looks super fast because I sped it up a bit, but to gently pluck the front part of the closure. I'm just trying to focus more in the center, and I kind of made my part in a circular, well, not circular, but a curved part in the front, so I can thin that out just a tiny bit. And then I'm going to go in with a bit of the pressed powder from Fit Me in the shade Java, and I'm just going to press this into the knots right in the front where I, thinned it out. And this is just going to help make it look a bit more natural and not so straight across my forehead, So I plucked a tiny bit more, and pardon my no makeup face. Today is a all natural day. I actually don't wear a lot of makeup. A lot of people assume that I wear makeup every day, but I don't. Most of my makeup I actually wear for YouTube. Okay, but if I do wear makeup in real life, which I do on occasion, it has to be for just that, a special occasion, I'm not just gonna wear makeup for no reason. Like, I have to be going somewhere. So if I'm doing it, I can go all out in the extra glam, Or I try to fade it up just a bit more in. I don't want to do it to the point where it looks bald. You know what I mean? Because I've seen, some people like to pluck about 1 inch up into their, frontal or closure. And for me, it just looks like it's balding. So I don't want to go all the way up in there. But I did pluck just a tiny bit more just to fade it up more, to take away that rounded egghead type of look, okay? Egghead. So let's try her on again. And remember, it doesn't have any straps in it. It's made with a 20-inch closure, 3 bundles, 22, 24, and 26. Okay, so here she is. All right. I'm just using a, you guys call it a rat tail comb. I call it a fine comb. Fine teeth. But yeah, I'm just using this to comb it out, make it nice and smooth. All right. I think that's very pretty. Since this is a closure and not a frontal, I'm gonna try and part my hairline underneath it so that my scalp can like be visible through the lace. I'm going to use this, okay? Or one of my friends uses this, and I've seen a lot of ladies use this to secure their wigs. We're gonna try it and see how it works. So I'm just going to put this back. I'm gonna put it right here, okay? Woo. Woo. Oh my gosh, it's so cold. Ooh. Like, you can almost feel it like bonding onto your head. So now it's on there. Let's see. I'm happy with the way that it looks right now. I'm gonna go ahead and add just a bit of my Fit Me powder in the shade Java to my part. Since I did not bleach the knots, I'm just going to tap it into the lace, and this is just going to help cover the knots and make it look more natural. Oh, it really bonded. It really bonded, you guys. Oh my goodness. So I have a little bit here that I can lift up. So let me see if I can kind of target that. Woo! Let me see if I can target that in the areas where I want it to go. So I'm going to go in with a bit of liquid foundation. Using the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Foundation in the shade Cocoa. And I'm just going to tap it into my part using the same brush that I used to apply the powder. It's just a little shader shadow brush. Okay, you can use a little concealer brush if you want to, but I like the shadow brush since it like, I can kind of wiggle it around and kind of not make my part look so sharp where it looks a bit more natural. Yep, so the foundation is definitely giving me a better effect to my part. I really like how it looks. Instead of the powder gives you more of a soft look. You can kind of concentrate that more in the part to give you more of a realistic Look. And then just bring it out into your skin and just blend it. You guys, this wig is so secure with just the spray. That's so crazy. This is my first time using the spray. This is my first time using the Got To Be Glued Blasting Freeze Spray, and it's on there. It's not going anywhere. So I'm guessing it comes off the same way, just like the Got To Be Gel, which you'll just wet your lace just a little bit and it slides right off. Because I just washed my hair and I'm not in the mood to rewash my hair. I'm just not. But I must say I do love the hair. It's silky, but it's not like shiny to the point where it looks, you know what I mean? Unnatural. Like, it's beautiful, healthy looking colored hair. So if you guys are looking for 99J or burgundy hair that's pre-colored, you don't have to do it. You can simply just make your wig or sew it in or whatever it is that you want to do with the hair. Make sure you check out AliPearl. I'll have their information down below in the description box. And sorry again for the no makeup face. Like I said, I don't wear makeup every day, so just to do a review, I didn't want to like beat my face, but yeah, I'm going to be, I'm having way too much fun with flipping this hair. It just feels so buttery and so soft, silky, but it's not like overly shiny. It has a really nice natural shine to it without it being overly shiny. Very minimal shedding. The only hair that really came out is the hair that I plucked out myself out of the closure to, you know, make the closure itself not look so eggheady. Yeah, if you guys are interested in some really pretty, gorgeous colored hair, check out AliPearl. I really like this. Thank you, AliPearl, for sending this hair to me. It's really beautiful. Very happy with it, okay? I hope you guys found this video helpful in, you know, purchasing your hair and finding another company that you can look into to get hair from, okay? I love you guys, and I'll see you all very soon in another video. Bye, guys.